Okay, pre-cal class. So fortunately, I will just miss half a day, not the entire day. So that means that I will be back for sixth and seventh periods, and I will also stay for tutorials in case you need to stay. However, I will go over a new lesson. We will be studying inverse trig functions today, tomorrow, and Wednesday. And just to go over the rest of the week, remember that on Thursday we will review, and then on Friday you will have a test this Friday. And I believe that is the last test because then the next week we will be reviewing for your 6 weeks test and you will be taking your 6 weeks exam as well. With that said, let's go ahead and continue. What I do want to say is that fortunately, I did have a video covering inverse trig functions that I made either last year or 2 years ago. So that means that I'm just basically going to recycle that video and upload it to my website. So what I want you to do is whatever you hear in that video in regards to turning in assignments or anything like that, please disregard. I just want you to really focus on the material of that lesson. Again, let me repeat myself. Anything that you hear in that video in regards to turning in an assignment or doing anything like that, or a quiz on Friday, if you hear anything like that, please disregard that because this is a recycled video. You do have a test this Friday. We will review on Thursday. So you do have a test on this Friday and we will review on Thursday. Basically what's going to happen in this video is that we will go over inverse trig functions, not the entire lesson, just part of it. And then after that, we will go back, or I will go back and review with you the what you had the quiz over on last Friday in regards to the labeling of trig equations, vertical shift, amplitude, horizontal shift, and the period. Majority of you all did great on the quiz. If you want to know your grade, they are up on the in the grade book online. So if you have access to your grades online, you're more than welcome to check it out. Or if you want to wait until I come back during the afternoon and pass by my room, that's also fine. Or they will be available I will pass them back out on Tuesday. So either one of those options are available to you. Or if you really just can't wait, email me and I will give you your grade. So, but unfortunately, I had a few, and when I say a few, maybe about less than 10 of you all that really failed the quiz. There was no reason why any of you all should have failed the quiz. Majority of y'all passed with a C, a B, or an A, but I really was expecting a lot of you all to get an A. I did get some B's, which are good, and I did get some C's, which are not so good. Because you basically just made little mistakes. So please, 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 we're going to go over it as a reteach to you all, because on your test this Friday, that will be worth 40 points of your test. So that should be 40 easy points for you all. So let's check out, and before I start the lesson, we're going to go ahead and review over the student jobs. Second period are those people, Chelsea and Arthur, so you do have some responsibilities. Third period, Sanita, please help the sub with checking the row. Elijah, please manage my computer. And Mr. Washington, please turn off my projector once class is over. For fifth period, Diamond Martin, please help the sub with checking roll after lunch. I want you to check roll after lunch. And Mr. Briggs, please manage my computer. I should be back in time for sixth and seventh period. If I'm not back in time for sixth period, Miss Jackson, please help the sub with check and roll. And Mr. Harris, please make sure you manage my computer. And I definitely will be back for seventh period. So let's, as I said before, I'm going to recycle the video that I've made of inverse trig functions. So whatever I say in that video in regards to turning in an assignment or anything like that, please disregard. I have already gone over what you're expecting this week, which will be a review on Thursday and a test on Friday. So anything else that you hear in the following videos, are null and void. Disregard those, please. All right, thank you, and I hope to see, or when I come back, I hope to not have a negative report from the substitute. Thank you very much, and I will see you all this afternoon if you're coming to tutorials, or if not, tomorrow.